Ever found yourself staring blankly at your screen, wondering how to just log in? You're not alone. Navigating new platforms can sometimes feel like deciphering an ancient scroll. Today, we're going to demystify the login process for Lunar, a platform that's been buzzing lately. Whether you're eager to manage your finances, explore its community features, or dive into its other offerings, the first step is always the same: getting in. So, you've signed up for Lunar, or maybe you're returning after a break. You've got the app on your phone or you're on their website. Now what? Let's break down the standard login procedure. Typically, you'll be greeted with a login screen. This usually features a couple of key fields, one for your email address or username, and another for your password. Take a moment to ensure you're on the official Lunar website or using the genuine Lunar application. This helps protect your information from potential phishing attempts. Look for the familiar Lunar logo and a secure connection indicator in your browser's address bar, often a padlock icon. Once you're confident you're in the right place, carefully enter the email address or username you used during the sign-up process. Double-check for any typos. A misplaced dot or a swapped letter can prevent you from logging in. Next up is your password. Remember, passwords are your digital key, so accuracy is crucial. Most platforms are case-sensitive, meaning uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. If you're typing on a mobile device, make sure your autocorrect isn't making unwanted changes. Many login screens offer an option to show your password as you type. This can be incredibly helpful in catching those sneaky errors before you hit that login button. After you've confidently entered your credentials, it's time to click or tap the login or similarly worded button. What happens next depends on whether your details are correct. If everything matches up, congratulations. You should be smoothly transitioned into your Lunar account, ready to explore all its features. However, what if you encounter a roadblock? It happens to the best of us. The most common issue is incorrect login details. If you're sure you've typed everything correctly, it might be worth trying to reset your password. Most platforms have a forgot password link conveniently located near the login fields. Clicking this will usually guide you through a process involving verifying your email address or answering security questions to create a new password. Follow the instructions carefully and choose a strong, unique password that you can remember or store securely using a password manager. Another potential hurdle could be related to your account status. In some cases, accounts might be temporarily locked due to suspicious activity or if certain verification steps weren't completed during sign-up. If you suspect this might be the case, look for any error messages on the login screen or try contacting Lunar's support team directly. Their contact information is usually available on their website or within the app. Occasionally, technical glitches on Lunar's end could also prevent you from logging in. While less common, these issues do happen. If you suspect a widespread problem, check Lunar's social media channels or support pages for any announcements or updates. Patience is key in such situations. Usually, these issues are resolved quickly. Finally, some platforms offer additional security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA. If you've enabled 2FA for your Lunar account, you'll likely be prompted to enter a unique code after successfully entering your password. This code is usually generated by an authenticator app on your phone or sent to you via SMS. Make sure you have access to your chosen 2FA method to complete the login process. Logging into Lunar, like most online platforms, boils down to accurately entering your registered credentials. Take your time, double-check your details, and don't hesitate to use the Forgot Password option if needed. By following these simple steps, you'll be exploring all that Lunar has to offer in no time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.